Jeff from Two Hacks Garage. Well, I wanted to provide you an update on the engine in Micah's Project Thumper. That soon to be really awesome 1989 short bed regular cab OBS that we're going to start on here pretty quick. As you saw in previous videos, we did a teardown on the Gen 4 engine, and we went ahead and honed it because the cylinders were straight, and we took it and got it hot tanked. Well, I was in Indy with John. We were searching for small block Chrysler parts and having a whole bunch of good time doing all of that. And while I was doing that and with John, Micah ended up building the short block of this engine. Now, he still has a whole lot of parts to order to get this done, but we did have on hand Cleveite cam bearings, King bearings for the rods and mains, and we also had Hastings piston rings for the pistons. So with all those parts there, what he was able to do was get this bottom end buttoned up, and as you can see, he got it nice and painted. Looks absolutely beautiful. Mind you, this is a stock bottom end, but uses a whole lot better bearings. It's going to be a really good engine. And what I'm going to do, guys, is he got me a whole bunch of time-lapse video. I'm just going to put that in there, show you what he got going on. And pretty soon, expect a video of us yanking the 305 out of Project Thumper so we can get to doing a whole bunch of wiring, which Mike has already started on. It's all over there behind us. It is just a spaghetti mess, but he knows what he's doing. He'll make everything work. So with that, guys, enjoy yourself watching some time-lapse footage of Project Thumper's 5.3 Gen 4 LS getting built. With that, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Later.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here again at 150 Speed Shop. Going to be working on Project Thumper here. So the past couple days I've been able to get the block primed, painted, and cleared, and today we're going to start working on assembly of the bottom end. But today's going to be a little different. We had some conflicting schedules with Jeff and the other guys, so you're pretty much going to see me, you'll see Mike popping in and out, but we're going to see if we can't get this bottom end put together today. So without further ado, not going to drag this out. We're going to get things kicking, and we're going to get to work here. So we'll see you later.